Hey gang, what's going on? It's Coach Mike with Healthy 101. Hey gang, how many times have you come home from the grocery store and you put all of your stuff away immediately, right? Like it's the mad dash. First, we start off by grabbing all of our groceries, as many as we can, so we only have to make one trip from the car, and we take them all straight into the house. And we put them away as fast as we can, and we're like, whew, grocery trip is over. Gang, today on Healthy 101, I want to talk to you about taking that food and meal prepping it, right? Instead of just putting it away, take those few extra minutes and portion out your food, right? If, let's say like goldfish, right? Like goldfish is a pretty good snack. It's not the best possible snack, but it is a good snack because it has very low on sugar. It's a pretty good snack, all right? It's not, like I said, it's not the best snack, but for us, we like to buy maybe like the giant containers. Our kids love goldfish, so for us, it's a great alternative, right? Instead of gummy bears or, you know, some of those other potato chips that are out there. So what we do when we get home is we take the big box of goldfish and we break it down right then and there. And then we open the box up and we drop those portions right back into that box, right? So instead of going, you know, to the cabinet and grabbing out that whole box of goldfish and just sitting there and eating them mindlessly, when we reach in, we're only grabbing out a portion. Gang, those are some ways that you can really take a few extra minutes and you can really have great success on your diet. So think about that the next time you go to the grocery store. What can I do to kind of prep this food up, right? So for instance, celery. If I buy a bunch of celery, right, I'm just going to cut the ends off, cut it again, rinse it off, and then I'm going to portion it right there into the bag. That way my celery is already cut and portioned. When you find yourself starving, if you've waited too long, if you're hungry, if you're just mentally exhausted, you've had a long day at the office or wherever you work at, and you're getting home and you open up the fridge and you're just looking for the easiest, most rewarding thing that you can eat. Gang, you can really help yourself out a lot if your food is already portioned, because instead of, you know, maybe reaching in and grabbing chicken nuggets or a corn dog or, you know, maybe something really processed that's quick and easy that is also rewarding, right? We can reach for some healthier foods, right? Having salad, right? Buy that big container of salad, mix it up, and then put it into those containers so you have those available. Make those salads so they're in there in the fridge, right? If you think about going to Starbucks or even some of the grocery stores and they have those quick, fast meals that you can just grab and go, that's the key to success, right? Already having that food broken down and ready to go is gonna help. Also, you can look in the grocery store for things that are already portioned, right? Like peanut butter. They have some really convenient peanut butter cups that already come portioned out. Those are really nice, right? So I can cut up that apple, I can drop that in there. An apple's only gonna really stay maybe, you know, 1 to 2 days before it really goes bad in the refrigerator, but the night before I go to work, right? I can cut that apple up, throw my peanut butter in that container, and then I'm ready to rock and roll for the next day. Meal prepping is not only is it gonna help you to be successful, it's gonna save you a lot of time. And time is so important, right? That's why we look for these quick, easy fixes. That's why fast food has become such an important, easy thing to go to, because it is easy, it is convenient, and it is fast. But you can do that yourself by just taking your food as soon as you get it out, prep it up the best that you can, portion out those food, and then you have everything ready. Gang, you can also do this the night before you go to work, right? So if you don't want to do that when you get home from the grocery store, then go ahead and prep your food the night before. If you're like me, I'm running late everywhere that I go, right? So having my lunch already packed the night before is gonna save me time in the morning, and I'm not gonna be as stressed. So gang, this week on Healthy 101, it's about meal prep. Find a couple of easy steps, some things that you can implement into your process that you already have. Do it for a couple weeks, create a habit, and then come back next week and check out our next Healthy 101. Gang, these are all tips that make you as successful as possible in reaching your goals. It's not easy. You're gonna want to quit. You're gonna fail at times, but you know what? If you keep getting back on that horse, I guarantee you're gonna be successful. Gang, this is Coach Mike. This has been Healthy 101. Remember, start the fire. Hey, gang, you stuck around. Fantastic. We have a lot of incredible things coming your way, guys. We have a brand new website that's getting ready to launch, Blaze45 Fitness online. From there, you're going to be able to get tons of free workouts. You'll be able to join programs, meal plans, a lot of awesome stuff there. But the only way for you to know is to go and hit that subscribe button now. Also, follow us on our social media. They're right down here. Click one of those. Make sure you follow us. And got some awesome news for you. That next video is getting ready to start. Go ahead and click that now. Gang, it's time to start the fire.